Hey there! Are you fed up with those annoying promotional or spam calls on your iPhone? Want to put a stop to them once and for all? You're in the right place. In this guide, I'm going to walk you through the steps to block or stop those pesky spam calls on your iPhone. Let's dive in and get it sorted. Solution 1. Use Focus Setting. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down until you see Focus and tap on it. Then, tap the plus icon to add a new focus. After that, select Custom to create a new focus mode. Now, type in a name like Ignore Spam Calls. Tap Next to continue. Next, tap Customize Focus to adjust your settings. Then, tap Choose People under the Silence Notifications section. Tap Next to move on. Now, select Contacts Only to allow calls only from your saved contacts. Tap Down to save your changes. After that, tap People again to go back. Here, you will see an option called Allow Calls From. Make sure it's set to select Contacts Only. Now, you will only receive calls from the people whose numbers are saved in your iPhone. No one else will be able to call you. Once you have set this up, swipe down from the top of the screen. Tap Focus to see your active focus modes. Find and tap on the Ignore Spam Calls option. Enable this option to activate your focus mode from blocking spam calls. You can always turn this off later if needed. Solution 2. Block spam calls. Open the phone app on your iPhone. Tap on Recents to see your recent calls. Locate the spam calls you want to block. Tap on the number or contact. Scroll down and tap Block Caller. Solution 3. Silence spam calls. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Phone. Find and select Silence Unknown Callers to turn it on. Solution 4. Enable voicemail to detect spam calls. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Phone. Look for the voicemail settings. Even if this setting isn't available on your iPhone, enabling voicemail can help and detect and manage spam calls. And there you have it. That's how you can tackle those spam calls on your iPhone. If you have got any questions or need further help, drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next time.